So, I just got up about 20 minutes ago, and I'm preparing to shoot some footage of me emptying my urine bag inside the house versus outside the house, because sometimes it's a little easier. First, I need to clean the camera lens, so I'm looking for the little cleaner pad thing. As you can see, it's like right there. There it is. So, for anybody who doesn't understand out there, I haven't put on my stomach binder yet, which is what I use to keep my blood pressure up. And the reason that I haven't done that is because I have to lean forward quite a few times to empty my bag out. And when I do that, the binder will get all bunched up, and then I'll have to redress myself, which will take a lot longer later. So right now my blood pressure is a little low, but it's all good. Here we go.